Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can publish your Shopify store. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm on my dashboard right now, and I have this entire setup guide over here, which you can use to get to the last stages and actually publish your store. Now, as you can see, you do need to remove your store password. I'll be getting to that, and you'll need to redirect your URLs and then connect to your domain, but some of that is completely optional, and I'll go through it step by step with you. Of course, the first step is for you to actually create an account on Shopify, and then you're going to need to create a store to get this dashboard, of course, and you should have a paid plan, since I'm pretty sure that you cannot publish stores without a paid plan. I'll be getting to why a bit later. Now, you're supposed to choose a theme for your Shopify store, and if you go to online store, you'll go to themes, and by default Dawn will be selected, since this is the current default theme, and you can of course use it freely, and you can go to customize and customize what your store page looks like. If I click customize, it'll open up the editor, which looks something like this, and you can customize it to whatever you want. As you can see, I only have this very basic rudimentary store, which I will be keeping like that. And then you should also go and make a domain. You probably already have a standard domain for Shopify, and you can access that by going here into settings and then going into domains, which is here. And then once you're here, as you can see, I already have a domain, which is the free Shopify domain that I've gotten with this account, and you can click on it to choose that to be the primary domain, which it already is. So you do need to set this up to have a primary domain. Once you've set up your theme and your domain, you're also supposed to go and remove the password from your Shopify store, which, as you can see, you need to uncheck restrict access to visitors with the password. As you can see, you do need to pick a plan. I currently don't have one, so I cannot remove it, but you should remove it to actually be able to publish your store, and then just click save once you do. And once that's done, that is pretty much most of your work done. The other things you need to do is to actually go ahead and add products. So you're supposed to go into your online store and go into products over here. I forgot where it's located. As you can see, I already have a test item over here, but you do need to add your products so that you can actually have a store and then be able to launch it. And once you're done with all of that, then if you go home, you will be able to launch your online store through here. As I've said, once you've connected your domain, redirected the URLs, and removed your password, then you'll be able to launch a store. That option will be presented to you, and that is basically all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.